Get ready to save big with Poulsbo RV's volume dealer prices. Plus, when you buy from us, you'll receive our exclusive 5-star priority RV service.
Hi, I'm Brianna, and today we're going to be looking at the Dynamax 5 Series Isata 30 FW. Let's go check it out.
This walkthrough video is designed to quickly show you the basic layout and features of this RV. Now, just like a brochure, this video is just a representation of the manufacturer's floor plan. For every RV made, just like a home, there are many variations of features, options, colors, fabrics, and other specifications, so it's important to contact one of our team members today for actual details about this floor plan. Take note of the clever ways the manufacturer has used every possible space for storage. Of course, we can't show you everything in this short video. You really have to come in and see for yourself to fully appreciate all this RV has to offer.
Save with Poulsbo RV's volume dealer prices. Plus, when you buy from us, you'll receive our exclusive 5-star priority RV service. Poulsbo RV, your local family-owned RV dealer.